Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do target A.2. You should see a fill in the unit circle. It's a big unit circle, lots of blanks. I'm going to break this up, filling this in over the next couple days. And this is super important. This helps us answer a lot of the stuff that will come up like on the next page and help us with drawing and finding other parts of triangles using the unit circle. Okay, so that's why we're going to spend a lot of time on this unit circle. So find this in your notes and follow along with me. Today I'm going to concentrate on this video, I'm going to concentrate on the degrees. Okay, and some of these we already talked about, right? For example, like you can count around the unit circle, and we always start right here, so that'd be 0 degrees. And if we go straight up, this would be 90 degrees, okay, because this makes a right angle. If I keep going, add 90 more, that gives me 180 degrees. And add 90 more down here. This will give me 270 degrees. And then if I make a complete circle, that's 360 degrees. So that would be like if I traveled I started here, went to 90, 180, 270, and all the way around. That's a complete circle, or 360 degrees. And that's pretty much all we've done. Today we're going to go and break this up into fourths and thirds and sixths. So we'll start with the fourths are kind of like halves as well. If I go halfway between 0 and 90, that gives me this right here. Well, half of 90, or halfway between 0 and 90, would be 45. So this one is 45 degrees. And I'm going to keep counting around by 45, right? So from here to here, add 45. 45 plus another 45 gives me 90. That's a terrible plus sign. Add 45 more. So 90 plus 45. This gives me 135 degrees. Add 45 more, and that's why we end up at 180. 135 plus 45 is 180. If I add 45 degrees again, whoops, I wanted that in red. Add 45 more degrees, so 180 plus 45 puts me at 225. Add 45 degrees again. I am at 270 degrees. I already wrote that in. I add 45 more degrees. So 270 plus 45, that would be 315. Remember, we're doing halfway between, so the middle two. There's two other degree signs there, but the halfway between. And then if I add from 315, add 45 more, I get 360. Just puts me back where I started, or a complete circle. All right, so I'm going to reset. Now I'm going to fill the last parts of the blanks in. Try not to erase the degrees there. And I'm going to count by thirds this time. So this first one, a third of 0 and 90 would be 30 degrees. Okay, so from 0 to here is adding 30. If I add 30 more, 30 plus 30 gives me 60 degrees. Add 30 more, so 90 plus 30, 60 plus 30 gives me the 90. Already wrote that in. Keep going around by 30 degrees. Add 30 more, so 90 plus 30, I have 120. Okay, add 30 more, so 120 plus 30 gives me 150. Add 30 more again. 150 plus 30 gets me to the 180. And I'm going to continue this on the bottom half, quadrant 3 and 4 of the unit circle. So add 30 more. So 180 plus 30 is 210. Okay, 210, add 30 more, gives me 240. Add 30 more, 240 plus 30 is 270. Already wrote that down. Add 30 more again. 270 plus 30 gives me 300. Okay, plus 30 more gives me 330, and add 30 again. And finally, I end up at 360, back where I started. So that was just me showing my work. You don't have to write the add 30 in each time. But you now have all the degrees that are very important in a unit circle. We start at 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 120, 135, 150, etc., all the way around. So, like I said, I'm just going over the degrees. It's important you know these, know how to find them quickly, how to add them. You can kind of see some patterns in there. The next video will count by radians, meaning like pi or 2 pi or pi over 2 and stuff like that.